Hey guys, today let's make some delicious Punjabi pinnias. These are a famous winter sweet from Punjab which are packed with protein, dry fruits and lots of goodness. So for this I have taken some almonds, cashews, pistas and edible gum which is also called gond. Gond adds a lovely crunch and also very great for our gut health. So firstly roast the dry fruits in ghee until it is fragrant. So yeah, here I am frying some cashews. Now I am also frying the pistas in ghee for the perfect crunch. Then fry the gond on medium flame till it puffs up and turn crunchy. Be patient, it takes about 2 minutes, but that's the secret to the perfect texture. Next, grind the roasted dry fruits and gond into a coarse mixture. Not too fine, keep it little crunchy. Now in a pan, take 1 cup of ghee and roast 1 cup of wheat flour, which is atta, on low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes till the raw smell goes away and it turns golden. Once that is done, add the flour, the dry fruit mixture, sugar and a pinch of elaichi powder also. Mix everything well while it's still hot. Now shape them into traditional pinnias or round laddus. You can also coat them in coconut and garnish with dry fruits for that extra touch. So yeah, our homemade Punjabi pinnias are ready now. Perfect for winter, super healthy and so tasty.